She fires out negatively charged silk thread. She's got about 200 brothers and sisters. These spiderlings are cannibals. This is one family meal you don't want to hang around for. Better get away, as fast and as far as she can. The trouble is, her siblings have the same plan, and she just ran out of road. But when it comes to great escapes, this spider has an extraordinary skill. She fires out negatively charged silk thread into the positively charged atmosphere. Opposite forces attract, pulling her up, up, and away. Riding the wind, even cruising the jet stream, she can travel for thousands of miles. By ballooning, they've colonized every corner of the Earth.